Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So tomorrow is Ganesh Chaturthi. So I'm making clay Ganpati Bappa for the first time. This is the tiniest Ganpati Bappa, and I have made Ganpati Bappa before, but using that soft air dry clay. I have never used this terracotta clay, and trust me, it was difficult but very interesting process. Go watch that video. That video is also interesting. I've posted it a year back. First, I do not know how to deal with this clay, but I tried and found out a way that with the help of water it was a bit easy, but not that easy. It was difficult. My hands were all dirty and messy. I figured out how to use this, and then I made this. And tell me in the comment section if you like this video, if you liked how I have made this. Please like and subscribe to my channel. 2-3 बार तो ये मुझसे हैंडल नहीं हुआ और ये टूट गया था, but still I tried. This took me over 2 hours because it was a very patient process and you have to handle this clay very gently. If not, it will break. I was so happy after the final result came out, but unfortunately it broke again. But yeah, it was an interesting process. वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो लाइक, कमेंट एंड शेयर. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग गाइस. बाय.